So, if a man lives for 20 to 30 years, he will be considered very old man. That day is coming, because how they will live? There is no eating, there is no sleeping, there is no fixture of this program. These are required. Annad bhavanti bhutani. Simply by dry lecture, how they will feel happy. There must be sufficient food grains so that people may live happily, the animal may live happily. Especially in India we see, no animal is fatty, either cat, dog or cow, but they have no eating. So annad bhavanti bhutani. They must be given sufficient food. Anna, Krishna does not say that you fast and chant Hare Krishna. He does not say. Krishna is not so impractical. He says, eat very nicely, keep very nicely, and chant Hare Krishna, make your life successful. That is Hare Krishna consciousness movement. Krishna consciousness movement is not one-sided. It is all-embracing. Sarve sukhina bhavantu. Krishna consciousness movement wants to see everyone happy. Without being happy, how you can remain peaceful? That is not possible. Therefore, Bhagavan Uvacha. You take lessons from Bhagavan, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, perfect, all perfect. What he will do by hearing this rascal or that rascal? Try to hear from the Supreme Personality without any fault, without any deviation. There are 4 kinds of defects in conditional life. To commit mistake, to be illusion, Brahm, Pramad, Vipralapsa, to cheat, propensity for cheating, and imperfection of senses. So we are all infected with these 4 deficiencies of life, material condition of life. Therefore, mukta means one who is liberated from these defects. Those who are infected with these defects, they cannot give you perfect knowledge. That is not possible. Imperfectness of senses, how he can gather perfect knowledge? They can simply say, perhaps it may be, most probably, that's all. Theories. Nobody can say it is like this. Just like in the Vedas, it is said, how many different varieties of lives are there? Jalaja Navalakhani, Sthavara Lakhamimsati, Kirmayo Rudra Sankhaka. Exact number. So many varieties of lives are there. 900,000 species of life in the water. Jalaja Navalakhani, Sthavara Lakhamimsati. 2 million varieties of trees, plants like that. Kirmaya Rudra Sankhaka. 11 lakh varieties of insects. Pakshinam Dasalakhakam. There are 1 million types of birds. Similarly, 3 million types of animals and 400,000 different types of humankind. Everything is exactly calculated. That is called Vedic knowledge, because it is how the perfection of knowledge comes. Here it is said, Imam vivasati yugam praktaman aham. Krishna says, aham abhayam. The knowledge is perfect, abhayam. Abhayam means that cannot be diverse or deviated. Perfect, abhayam, without any deviation. Therefore, if you want to know perfect knowledge, then you have to hear from Krishna. Therefore, Bhagavan Vacha. Bhagavan means the most powerful, most influential, the supreme wise, most beautiful, most learned, most renouncer. That see, Bhagavan's renouncer. If we construct a building, how much attached we become to this building. But Krishna has constructed this whole universe. Whole universe means we have no idea what is the universe. We have no idea what is this planet. We are trying to go to the moon planet. We have no exact idea even of the moon planet. And there are innumerable planets. Vasudha. Jasya prabha prabhavato jagadanna koti. Kotishu vasudhadi vibhuti bhinnam. Each planet is of different type, different climate, different facilities, different standard of life. And there are ananta, innumerable planets, you cannot count even. So this is only one universe. And there are millions of universes. Jasya prabha prabhavato jagadanna koti. So Krishna, or the Supreme Lord, is creator of these all universes. Still, He does not come here. He comes occasionally. But He does not claim. You utilize. He has given to you, you living entities. You wanted to enjoy this material world. All right, I give you. Enjoy. Beginning from Brahma down to the end. They are enjoying. And they are creating their own karma form. Karmana daiva netrena. And because he is creating his karma form, he is getting another body. Sometimes the ant's body, sometimes Brahma's body, sometimes cat's body, sometimes American body, sometimes Indian body, sometimes monkey's body. In this way, we are wandering all over the universe. This is called disease, material disease. Bhutta bhutta praliyat. Janma mittu jara vyadhi dukkha dosanu darsanam. The one who is wise, one who is learned, he should try to understand how to get out of this cycle of birth and death, repetition of birth and death. Now you have got this American body, very nice, rich nation's body, and we have got Indian body, that's all right. But what is the next life? That the people do not know. Just like you prepare by education for the future life, what you are preparing for the next life, they do not know. There is no, whether there is life or not. Such a fool we are that we do not know. Therefore, we have to hear from the perfect person, Krishna. Krishna says, Dehinasmin jatha dehi. That is the first instruction. Dehinasmin jatha dehi kaumana jovanam jara.